How machine learning will change the world.
For all of history, a human developer has programmed applications on a computer, telling it what to do with the data that is inputted into the application. So the human makes the decisions and the application or the computer simply executes on that decision. But with machine learning, we're asking the question, can the application or the computer make decisions on its own without being guided by a human developer? Why is machine learning important? In today's increasingly connected world, there are large volumes of data being generated every single day by organizations and by individuals as we use the internet. There are lots of insights and value that's hidden in this data and needs to be unlocked. However, it's not possible to manually glean all of the insights available. The better alternative is to use automation or to use a computer or an application to actually do all of the data crunching and give us those insights. Let's dig a little deeper into how machine learning works. There are two things. The first is the training data. Training data is simply this data set that needs to be analyzed and value got from it. The second is an algorithm. You can think of an algorithm as a formula. All of the data passes through this formula and out comes insight and value. Now let's look at the types of machine learning. There are two types. First, supervised machine learning. This is when the training data is labeled and there's a sample data set that is fed to the algorithm for the algorithm to understand a pattern. And once it spots the pattern, the algorithm can then continue to do the same labeling of the data and categorizing on its own without the help of a human. The second type is unsupervised machine learning. Here, a raw data set is fed to the algorithm and the algorithm itself figures out patterns and looks for ways to glean insight and value from this data. Now let's get a little practical and talk about the use cases of machine learning. Categorization. This could be, for example, image categorization. To look at an image and say what are the objects in an image. Are they ties? And then to say what color are these ties. Next up is speech to text or vice versa, text to speech. If you're watching this video on YouTube, YouTube automatically generates subtitles for every video. This is an example of machine learning. Next up, predictions. For example, in a CRM application, using machine learning to look at the behavior of prospects and to predict which of them are most likely to become paying customers. In business intelligence, or more popularly now known as data science, rather than business analysts doing all of the number crunching, algorithms are now put to work on data and insights are gotten more faster than before. In performance and security monitoring applications, it's really important to analyze all of the monitoring data in real time to spot issues and vulnerabilities. Rather than humans manually looking through this data and spotting those vulnerabilities and issues, a machine learning algorithm can do this much more efficiently. Finally, in consumer applications, machine learning is able to crawl things like tweets, comments, user profiles, and decide which tweets and posts should get promoted higher than others, or even which ads should be targeted to which kind of users based on their tweets or their posts. The use cases for machine learning are endless. Machine learning is going to be an integral part of our future. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon below.